Hello traders, welcome to KingFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola King. I'm the lead instructor. So guys, let me give you this simple strategy. I have once dropped this strategy on this channel, but based on popular demand, so I need to redrop this strategy because the strategy is still valid and useful to the market. So one thing about this strategy is that it's only effective only on boom markets. So it's effective only on boom markets. You should take note of that. Don't use this strategy in another market. It's just for boom 1000, boom 500, and boom 300. So before I go deep into the strategy, let me show you the settings. So under the Bollinger Bands, you have period 20, diffusion 2.00, shift to 0, apply to close, tie 3 pixel. So time frame or time frame, just leave all the settings like this. Then let's go to the next indicators. The next moving indicator is moving average convergence divergence, which is MACD. So under the MACD we have fast EMA3, slow EMA5, MACD SMA 13. Apply to close main three signals, so you can use any pixel of your choice. So and use any color of your choice here. If you have had this, then click on done, then go to your charts. You must be able to see something like this on your chart. So as we all know that Bollinger Band is an trend indicators that tell us when the market is overbought and they're oversold. You know, the Bollinger Band has three deviation: the positive and the minus deviation, with the middle band which indicate the market trend. You understand? So let's quickly combine these two indicators together and tell us how it's useful for us in trading boom. So when the price comes to this, and let me first of all explain this MACD. This MACD, MACD tell us when the market is also in uptrend and when the market is in downtrend. It's also tell us when the bullish or bearish momentum, when there is a deceleration in the direction of trend. So you can see now that this bar is above a zero level, it tells us uptrend. And when you started seeing a reduction on this bar, it tells you that the market is begin to change a trend. So how do we make use of this? Anytime you see spike bring price to this upper band of Bollinger Band, and you check your MACD, and you see that MACD is still above the zero, you be patiently wait till the price till the bars under MACD crosses the level zero. So once the crosses happen, you count your 5 to 10 candles on the main chart. First confirmation is when the spike bring price to the upper band, the positive deviation of the Bollinger Band. So after that, you will look into your MACD, then wait for the bars to cross the level zero, then you enter for sell immediately. So that is how very simple the strategies is. You can go to your chart, go to your demo account, try to backtest the strategy. You understand? So a spike has to happen. A spike will bring price to this upper band. Then after that, during those periods, the spike will also push the bars above the level zero. And when the price started moving down, the bar will begin to reduce until it crosses this level zero, then you enter for sell immediately. So guys, that should be all for this strategy. I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible. If you are new to the channel, you can click on subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you to this channel. So guys, always trade responsible. Thank you.